Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to follow other users on Depop and how you can grow your own followers. So first of all, simply open Depop. Now over here, you can either search for that particular sellers or shop that match to your style or the type of items that you sell or the person that you want to follow. So over here, as you can see, I have some of the listings available. So let's say I'm going to tap on this particular listing. Now over here we have this particular seller, so I'm just going to tap on their profile. Now over here you will be landed on that particular user's shop. So here you are going to see the follow button. So as soon as you tap on the option of follow, it will say following. That means you are successfully following this particular user. Now, in order to gain the followers, you need to start by making your own shop that is worth following. So you can use a clear profile picture for that. Then you can write a short bio that explains what you sell, and you can keep your listings consistent with the specific style or niche. For example, this particular person has a clear profile. They have also given a short description. Then this is their shop and all of their items are basically consistent. So you can add new items regularly with the clear photos, accurate descriptions and relevant keywords so that more buyers can discover your shop through the Depop's search and the recommendations. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.